Yeah, continue.
Yeah.
Well, okay, Adnan. Mahima has worked with you earlier also. What do you have to say about movies releasing today?
Well, I'm here to support Mahima, and she's a lovely person, and I'm just wishing her the best, and because she's a wonderful person. She's been a very, very good friend for many years.
Baby,
Yeah, and I'm so happy for her that she's now a mother and a mom. And the first thing I did was I called her up and I said, "Hey, mom."
So you think she would be accepted after that?
Why not? Why not? I mean, we have to grow as human beings, and I think a great example is Hollywood, where they have all kinds of age groups and people from all kinds of backgrounds, but people accept them. It's the art, it's the work, which is most important, and I really wish her the best.
What do you think of this kind of cinema? It's not the usual commercial kinds. I mean, what do you have? What's your take on it? It's an English film and.
Well, I mean, it's always great to have all kinds of variety of cinema. I mean, I think it would be very boring if we just had one particular type of cinema. We need to have all kinds of cinema. So, I think it's wonderful that we have. I think, in fact, I think it's wonderful that we're living in a time where there's so much variety.
Just a small idea, huh? I'm Adnan Sami, watching your filmy cocktails only on Filmy.
Hi, I'm Adnan Sami, and you're watching me on Filmy Cocktails only on Filmy.